In your first semester of law school, you probably worked on a legal memo. And this semester, you're probably working on some form of summary disposition, a motion to dismiss or summary judgment. And a student had a really great question about that. The student said, I've done the research. And with the summary judgment standard being so high, right? No genuine issue of material fact. It doesn't seem like that's there. Why don't we skip this really high bar and then get straight to the thing that seems to be at issue and try and resolve that? First, I'll share my response and then this awesome resource on practical law. I told the student, yes, it's true that no side is probably going to win this initial motion. However, you have to raise these arguments by asking for a ruling as a matter of law, because then if you don't win, you can appeal later by saying the trial court got the law wrong. Right? This is called preservation of error, and failure to preserve error or make a record, as the trial lawyers would say, is a very big deal. In criminal cases, there's another way to appeal that's called ineffective assistance of counsel, which is what I used to do when I was doing criminal appeals, but that's outside the 1L wheelhouse. What I want to introduce to you is this amazing practice note on practical law. And you'll notice how we got to it, right, in the drop-down wedge here that says practical law, and then just running a plain language search for something called preservation of error. Because error doesn't just come in if the judge gets the law wrong on the summary judgment motion. You'll notice here that this expert at a global law firm here has written it out step by step of all the different ways that error can wind its way into trial, and that the smart trial lawyer or the smart appellate counsel advising the smart trial lawyer can help make sure that the record is made so that that way an appellate court can touch these decisions, right, review them, overturn them if they turn out unfavorable. Scroll to the bottom, see the other awesome stuff that's on practical law, and then connect with your account manager from the law school site over here.